All right, let's look at the following system of linear equations, and we have to solve it without graphing. Right, so the graphical method is out the window. We're going to have to do it algebraically. Right, so let's do that. All right, so we don't want to deal with two variables at the same time. So since we have x and y, so our motivation first would be eliminating one of the variables. Right. So in this case, the easy one to eliminate is x, because you can see that we have a matching term, 7x here and 7x here. So what we can do is we can simply do a subtraction between these two equations. So I'm going to subtract the second equation from the first equation. So you can see 7x minus 7x is 0, so I'm not going to write that. And then 11y minus 3y is going to be 8y. And this equal to, right, negative 2 minus 30 is negative 32. Right, so we got that. Then all you have to do is get rid of 8. So we can do that simply dividing through by 8. So 8y becomes just y. All right, so y is isolated now. All right, so negative 32 divided by 8 would be negative divided by positive is negative. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Right? So we already know the y value. So we know that xy is going to be x comma y. So y value we found out to be negative 4. Now all we have to do is find the value of x. Right? So we can pick either of the first two equations. Just pick the easier one. I like kind of the bottom one. It really doesn't matter. So I'm going to pick on the second equation, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually plug this y value negative 4 into the second equation here. Right? So we will get 7x is 7x. Oops, maybe I should use the correct color. 7x here. Right? So if you plug in negative 4 there, so it's a 3 times negative 4, so it's a negative 12. Right? And this has to be equal to 30. All right? But this is an easy equation to solve, right? So first, so I'm going to, since there's only one x term, so I'm going to collect all the constant term to the right-hand side. So I'm going to shove this to the right-hand side by adding 12 to both sides. So you have 7x is equal to, so 30 plus 12 is 42. Right? Then we just need to isolate x, so we have to get rid of this 7 here. And we can do that. We can simply divide through by 7. So 7x divided by 7 is x, which is what we wanted. And 42 divided by 7 is 6. Right, so we found the y value to be 6. Right, so solution is x equals 6, comma, y equals negative 4. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.